English is my favorite subject right now. If you ask me, Sean, what is your favorite subject? I will give you answer. English is my favorite subject. And do you know, there was a time, the time I got afraid when I heard English subject name, okay? But right now I love to read English, I love to listen English, I love to speak English, and it has become a favorite subject in my life, English is so easy if you are trying every day perfectly. So that's why every day I do something about English. That's why it has been my favorite subject. So guys, you can practice your spoken English every day hardly, and then one day it will be your favorite subject as well, like me. So thank you so much. Learn speak English, enjoy speaking English. All the best. Bye bye.